auction just like every other class. I'll let you know in just a minute whether he's going to take it or not.
He wasn't running really. Yeah, you gotta turn that down.
285.8 is the distance. To make sure we got the sled